Team members who track their mileage through Sure Mobile Company Mileage are required to use the check-in log feature. This will automatically record the location and time of each trip that is created in the app. Trips should not be recorded manually using the new trip option unless there is an issue with the check-in log option. If this happens, you will need to document the reason the new trip option was used in the memo field. After downloading the app and logging in, set up the trip entry method. This should only need to be done the first time the app is used. Navigate to the settings, then user preference. Update your selection for trip entry method. If you have unfinished trips awaiting submission or quick capture locations pending, you will need to complete and submit those trips prior to changing your trip entry method. To begin logging a trip, start by selecting the check-in log. The date, time, and GPS coordinates of your current location are captured, and the form to start logging your next trip is displayed. If the selected address is not correct or does not exist, click Change to select a different option. To select from nearby addresses, tap in the field displaying Select Nearby Address to select from the address book. Next, select the destination by clicking the icons or selecting an address from the address book listed below to display the suggested route and directions to the selected destination and start the trip. Or, click Skip for now to start the trip without directions. A timer will display. You will select your destination address when you arrive. Once you arrive, click En route to capture the date, time, and current location of where you ended your trip. If the address selected is not correct or no address is selected, click Change to select a different option. Only those addresses near your current location will be available or accepted for selection. Complete the form and click Save. Additional required fields may be presented. If you have any questions about the fields presented, please contact your supervisor. Click Submit to update the status of all completed routes to trips awaiting approval. Trips with incomplete required fields will not be submitted. These steps must be completed for the trips to be approved by your manager and processed for payment.